video, we're gonna be learning some insects. Okay guys, so the first insect is this. Is a very, very poisoning insect that was, we trapped it and we don't know how to let it go now. But the thing is, it used to be like in the mountains or like in the forest over there. They always eat leaves, yeah. And even when they sting a cow, it will die. Yes. Okay, I'm not gonna touch it. Okay, let's get on to the next. Alright. Okay, now show it to me now. Oh my god! Ah! Salamander. A lot of salamander around our house. Oh, there's an insect. Right now there's some. Oh. Oh. You got him. Okay, so that is another insect. Let's get on to the next insect. Oh my god, he's snake! Wait, oh damn it. It's not a snake. Look, it's a very, very itchy plant. It's not a snake. Oh, but this is a very, very big snake in our house, though. Okay, guys, so we found another insect. I know you guys are going to be boring about the insect, but look, a literal snail. So it's like a baby snail, and there's so much of it, and always like rainy days, like snails are everywhere. Oh, I saw his eyes. Look, there's another one right there, and they will die like this. Look at this. This one died. Ooh, got it. So far we do not spot. Oh my god! There's an ant! There's an ant! Look how much ant there are! Whoa, these are ant insects as well. There's so much of it. There's like a home of it, as you can see. Is there like a feast in there? Okay, no foods. That means they're not doing a feast. Oh, there's some there, right there. Oh, okay, guys. Okay, guys, so we spot 2 more. So let's get on to the next insect. Butterflies. Oh, wait, look. Zoom in. Butterflies are insect as well. Look at, zoom in. Zoom in the X. Butterfly. It is so still, even though it is, oh my god. Okay, we got another insect now. Oh my god. The butterfly is white. Oh my god. Okay. Do not go any closer.
Try to grab the butterfly.
Oh no, the bees. The bees are trying to get it. We spot another insect. 2 insects at the same time. A bee. Oh, there's another bee. 2 bees and 1 butterfly. Oh, it is. The eyes are black. Oh, there's another butterfly. Right there. On your arm, cameraman. So this butterfly is a black one. Black and silvery.
Your dress, huh?
Yes. And also my pants. And it is brown in the I feel so bad for this. This actually fell down from the ceiling of our home, you know. This is a helicopter fly insect. Is a insect and it looks like a helicopter, but they are called that in also America.
Got it.
Another lizard, guys. Oh, go zoom in on the ladybug. It's a ladybug. It's a ladybug. Little ladybug.
This is a ladybug.
Look, there's a ladybug. Okay, guys. So also, my brother and me also buy lots of these shirts. So if you wanna buy this, just go in the link of the comment box. So let's get into the next ink set. I just want to show you guys eggs of the spiders and also spiders. And let's see if we can find like a little more of the spiders and also spider eggs. So we found the first one, which is right there. So that's the first spider egg. As you can see, the egg is right there. The egg is right there. So eggs are like stacked on each other so that they can communicate. Well, they're still inside. I think so, yeah. So as you can see, those are the eggs. And there's a spider down below it. So that must be the mother and also the egg. So we're gonna like do off camera trying to find more spiders. If we can find. But there's a lizard right there. There's a little lizard. Go zoom in. There's another lizard. There's a literal lizard right there. Oh! This is a cat. This is my cat. This is my pet cat. Look at my pet cat. Okay, guys. So I hope you actually enjoyed the video. All of the video is this video is only about animals and also insects. So I hope you enjoy the video. Thank you for watching. See you guys in the next video. Bye bye.